Kelly Clarkson canceled her Las Vegas residency just 90 minutes before showtime on July 4th. And no, it wasn't because she couldn't find a sparkly enough outfit or ran out of glitter. It was her vocal cords waving the white flag. Now imagine this. You've got your hotel booked, your sparkly Vegas outfit on, and your 2 overpriced cocktails deep when BM, Kelly says, "Sorry y'all, I love you, but I can't risk sounding like a strangled goose tonight." That's heartbreak, Vegas style. But let's be real. Kelly Clarkson isn't just any singer. She doesn't whisper her way through songs. Oh no. She belts. Full volume. Every single note. The woman's vocal cords have been through more drama than an entire season of The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. And if that wasn't enough, behind the scenes, Kelly's been juggling more stress than a mom of triplets at Disneyland. Divorce drama, single parenting, emotional exhaustion, and a talk show that basically eats up all her tour time? It's no wonder her voice was like, "Girl, we need a break." Kelly Clarkson canceled her Las Vegas residency minutes before showtime on July 4th over vocal issues, but she also faces hidden battles. Sources tell Page 6. The singer and TV host acts the opening night of her studio sessions residency at the Colosseum at Caesar's Palace just 90 minutes before showtime last Friday, devastating fans. Clarkson, 43, said she could not risk causing serious damage to her voice, as one Vegas insider told us. She belts out every single note. She's an incredibly powerful singer, but it takes its toll on her vocal cords, and she's come incredibly close to needing surgery before. She cannot risk damaging her cords further. She's on thin ice. Back in March, Clarkson, 43, missed 10 episodes of her NBC talk show, with her spot being filled by guest hosts, and was absent again the following month when Andy Cohen stepped in to host. Both times, she cited personal matters as her reason for taking off. Clarkson has been open about the toll her turbulent divorce from Brandon Blackstock, father of their kids, daughter River Rose, 10, and son Remy, 8, took on her. A second insider in the know added, "Kelly's personal life is so insanely complicated. Kelly is fighting some serious hidden battles that very few people are privy to. It's a source of emotional and therefore physical distress for her." Clarkson has been candid about just how much the 2020 split after 7 years of marriage and the ensuing legal battle took out of her, telling Apple Music in 2023, "Just to be brutally honest, I did not handle the divorce well," has reached out to Clarkson's rep for comment. After canceling the first weekend, Clarkson is expected to kick off the residency this Friday. In an emotional note, she said she wanted to create the most intimate and extraordinary experience for her incredible fans. However, she noted, "The prep and rehearsals have taken a toll on my voice." The stronger singer added, "I am beyond grateful that you always show up for me, and I am devastated to have to postpone." Clarkson reassured her fans that the career-spanning show is incredible and concluded, "I can't wait to be back next weekend and show y'all what we've been working on." Previously revealed how the star's very painful personal issues may force her to quit the Kelly Clarkson Show next year. In May, the Since You've Been Gone singer also lamented how the NBC show had held her back from going on tour, saying, "We haven't done a show in a while, y'all, 'cause I have a talk show. It's like a whole other job." Has also learned Clarkson's talk show contract expires after season 7 in 2026, and she may not renew. Last month, a source told us, "She is a compassionate and caring person, and what has happened recently has helped her to move beyond the divorce." And there you have it, folks. Kelly Clarkson may have hit pause on her Vegas residency, but let's be real. She's not just battling vocal fatigue. She's navigating a storm most of us can't even see. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.